Remind ko ha, running time po tayo. Okay, Rudy. Tukochi. Wow, sayang. Okay, CF. No good. Rebound by Mejia. To Christopher. To CF. Okay, no good. Rebound by number 0. John Ray to JF. Sayang. Rebound by Enrico. No good. Okay. John Ray to Kochi. Nice pass. Pagkalinawan, no good. Another no good pa rin. Mejia to Baria, 2 points. Score 0-2. Sakto lang ang pacing. Steal by Mejia. Mejia, easy 2. Score 0-4. Nice pass. To number 9, Domingo, 2 points. Score 0-6. Both teams may dalawang timeout per game. No good rebound by Pagkalinawan. Pagkalinawan, 2 points. Score 2-6. Okay, Mejia. To Domingo. Nice pass. Christopher, 2 points. Score 2-8. Hindi mabilis ang pacing ng game ngayon. Less guard kasi. Okay, JM. Nice play. No good. Rebound by CM. Okay, foul. Palakas na lang. Okay, John Ray dribbling the ball. No good. Okay, Domingo, 2 points. Kung anong parang alam sa kabila, yun ang ganda ng bagsak na bola ng solo joiners. No good. Enrico, no good. Rebound by number 15. JM. Maalam lang talaga. CM. Nice pass. Yun. 12 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Okay, good. Time remaining 3 minutes 30 seconds. Mahaba pa. Number 11. Nice pass. Tukuchi, sayang. Nasa na kaya yung ibang player? Okay. No good. Rebound by Pagkalinawan. 2JF. Nice D. Ito Pagkalinawan again. Tukuchi, 2 points. Okay, wait lang, netball. Netball lang po tayo.
Bossing, pasok! Sir, hindi, kulang. Kulang kasi.
Umextra lang. Ayun, number 10. Si Sir Lin. 4-10. Okay. CM. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Okay, good ha? Pagkalinawan to John Ray. Naipit. Nice, Blanca. JM. No No good. Pasa pala yun. Pagkalinawan, 2 points. Score 6-10. Time remaining 2 minutes 25 seconds. Coaching to Enrico. Ang ganda ng depensa. 14 seconds to shoot. Barya. Wow! Ang ganda ng pasa mo, pre. Sayang, Mejia, 2 points. Nice putback by Mejia. Score 6-12. To Janre. Janre 3. Score 9-12. Okay, Mejia. Pinasa kay Domingo. Domingo. Nakakuha pa ni Domingo. 14 seconds to shoot. Christopher, no good. Rebound by Pagkalinawan. Pagkalinawan to JM. JM easy to score 11-12. Okay, steal by Coaching. Okay, good daw. Hindi tumawa. Okay, 2 points by Domingo. Score 11-14. Yan ang spot shooter nyo kahit saan. Number 10, pinasa kay Janre. Okay, foul. Last 54 seconds. Ipit na ipit. Puro big man kasi. No good. Pasa pala yun. Sayang. Last 44 seconds. To CM. CM reverse shot is good. 35 seconds remaining. To Janre. Pagkalinawan, 2 points. 13-16, last 24 seconds. Wow! 13-18. Saka. Last 12 seconds. Domingo. Domingo, no good. 8 seconds. Hindi pwede kay Miguel. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay. Change court, Sir CM. Score 13-18. Change court. Dito na po. Wait lang. Dito po bola. Change court na po tayo. Remind ko both teams may dalawa pang time out. Okay, game. No good. Rebound by Christopher. Christopher to Domingo. Domingo, nice pass. Mejia reverse shot is good. Score 20-13. Janre, no good. Rebound by CM. Okay. Coaching. Oy! Pagkalinawan, 2 points. Score 20-15. Wala pa yung iba. 2 points by Christopher. Nagiging dagger na sa Caribbean na rin. Score 22-15. To Janre. Janre easy to deep to 22-17. Okay, Christopher to CM. CM. Nice. Sayang. Umami na. Bola nila, regulars. 2 points by Pagkalinawan. Score 22-19. Lamang ng tatlo ang Team CM. Okay, no good. Rebound by Domingo. 8 seconds to shoot. Ang tigas mo. Grabe, para pumangga, di ba? Ang tigas ni Sir Janray. No good by Enrico. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo. Pinasa kay CM. Still by pagkalinawan. Bad pass. Mejia. Okay, foul. Remind ko sa last 1 minute ng second half, lahat ng foul may free throw na. Okay, Domingo to Enrico. Sambua, no good. Rebound by Sir Leo. Nagmamadali. Nice shot. Score 22-21. Isa na lang hinahabol ng team regulars. Mejia, nice drop. Sayang, ang lakas lang. Sir Leo, number 10. 3 is good. Score 22-24. Lamang na po ang regulars ng dalawa. Okay, foul muna. Okay ka lang? Okay. Labas muna. No good by Mejia. Rebound by Cochi to Janray. Janray. Nice fake by Sir Lil. Ang ganda. Sayang. Pagkalinawan. No good. Sayang po. Alog ng alog. Dalawa lang po ang kalaman ng team regulars. CM. Okay, steal. To Janray. To pagkalinawan. Oh! Isa tama. Wow! Ang layo ng finger roll shot na yun. Score all 24. Janray setting the play. Pinasa kay Sir Gil. Nice. Nakita si Kuching. Kuching. Free! Score 24-27. Nice. Okay, foul. Time remaining 2 minutes 51 seconds. Lamang ang tatlo ang team regulars. Christopher, patay kayo diretso. Kunti ka na. Pagkalinawan. To Janray, nice pick. Yun lang. Kung hindi malakas, patok talaga tira nila. CM, nice pass. Domingo, 2 points. Score 26-27. Okay, nice. Nakuha. Okay, foul. Time remaining 2 minutes 10 seconds. Lamang pa ng isa. Okay. Bossing, dito. Okay, Janray, 10 seconds. Janray, free. Score 26-30. Nice. Nice. Ang ganda ng dribbling. Lumusot. Sayang. Foul daw. Foul. Time remaining 1 minute 42 seconds. Apat ang inahabol ng team CF.
Rowell po.
1 minute 42. Okay, nice. Tumira ng tres. No good. Okay, backward violation. Time remaining 1 minute 31 seconds. Lil, huwag niyong patitirahin niya. Baka magsisi kayo. Munti ka na. Mejia to Domingo. Domingo, Bubuelo. Okay, dito bola. Nawala, dito. Dito po, bola. Nawalaan po dito, bola. Dito po, bola. Hindi ko kasi... Oh, boss, oh, para madali. O, free throwin mo siya. Boss, ikaw mag ano, para sure tayo. Kasi ang tingin ko kasi diretso po. Okay, o, para pair. Sige, bigay natin. O, bigay nyo dito. Time remaining 1 minute 19 seconds. May. Okay, game ha? Apat lang po hinahabol ng team si Mejia. 3! Isa na lang po ang hinahabol at 29-30. Remind ko sa last 1 minute, lahat ng foul, automatic free throw. Lead, ang ganda ng pasa mo. 2 points, may pagkalinawan. 29-32. Okay, Enrico. Enrico, 3! All 32, last 48 seconds. All 32. Last 44 seconds. "37 seconds, 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Mejia. Last 30 seconds. Lahat po ng ball may free throw na. Oy, ang ganda. Oy, bad pass. Last 24. Kochi. Okay, time out. Team CM. Score 32-34. Remind ko lang po palakas na lang po Tapos wala pong intentional na foul ha, hindi ko tatanggapin yun. Wala po tayong intentional na pasabi.
Dalawa lang hinahabol.
Ilang oras na?
Ano?
Wait lang.
21.7. Advance ba kayo? Okay. 21.7, 14 to shoot. Ay, wait lang, nandun pa si Domingo, umiinom pa. 21.7, 14 to shoot. No need to foul. .7, 14 to shoot. Wala pong kasubsub na depensa ha, baka tumawag. Okay. Okay. Dalawa lang yung nahabol ng Team CM. Oy, bad pass! Napagkamalang makampi si Sir Jadre. Good na po! Last 16 seconds. Mejia. Okay, foul. 2 free throws. 11.4. 2 free throws, Sir Mejia. Okay, first shot. Oh! May isa pa kayong timeout ha, Kenny. Timeout kaya, okay. Okay, last touch. Pagkalinawan. Okay, timeout. Sila. Wala lang po silang timeout ha. 10.4. 10.4. Wala na pong timeout ha. Okay, game. 10.4 ha, 10.4. Enrico, 3! Okay, time out. Score 35-34. 7.5. Grabe, nadali. Okay, 7.5 ha, 7.5. 7.5 seconds. 3 seconds. Okay. 2 free throws, 2.1 seconds. Wala na. Kayo na lang ang may timeout isa. Hindi kayo. Ikaw time-out ng pangalawa eh. 2 free throws si JF. 2.1 ha. Wala nang timeout ang team CM. First shot, no good. 2.1. Wala na kayong timeout. Okay, all 35. 2.1 ha. 2.1. Okay. First to shoot. Okay, mag-jumble nga lang. First to shoot ha. Okay, wait lang po. Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay, game. First to shoot, ha? Okay, Jandre. First to shoot. Twelve seconds. Sir Neil. Okay. Okay, foul daw, foul. Patawag po agad, ha? Mamaya. Okay, game. No good. Okay. Bola ng team CM. Grabe, first game, overtime agad. Good po yan, ha? First to shoot. Number 10, Mejia, dribbling the goal. Pinasa kay Sambua. 8 seconds. Nako, derecho. And okay. Good yan. 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 Hindi po tayo pwede. First to shoot po tayo. Okay, palabas na lang doon, boss. Palabas yan. First to shoot lang tayo. Game. Kenry. To Mejia. Mejia. No good rebound by CM. CM. Fade away shot is good. Nada.
Bigyan.